Hi guys, here we are at Torworth level crossing in Yorkshire with Joe Thorpe. Yeah, Adam's come. There we go. Now. Time is 13:38 on Saturday, the 14th of February 2015. This is for, we've got 4G around here. This is for our 1335 488 Quebec from Biggleswade Plasma to Heck Plasma. And they're stopping in the loop.
You know why you got 4G, don't you?
Why?
Because there's a bloody mobile phone mast over there.
Where?
Over there, look.
Oh yeah. But you got it as well?
I don't know, I don't know what it looked. Level 3G.
Ah. I'm like on 3G again. Here's my 3G. I'm on 3G. 3G at the moment. Look at this barrier, it's pretty... Look after Aiden, Adam! Yeah, Jaden, sorry. Have you viewed the lights yet?
It's going straight through, it's not stopping.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. That happened at Barnby last week, didn't it? Yeah, the train was supposed to stop on that loop, but it's not. The signals on yeah, I know that, but I was saying there's no signals pointing it into the loop.
There is. The signal down there, you can't see it.
Oh yeah, I can see a feather light on it as well. Yeah. What's that? Here she is, it's an express, yeah, it's in 43. Do you reckon the freight will be coming any sec?
It should be behind it, I reckon, to go on to Luke.
43, 253! 296, and... Will they go? Do you reckon we should stay for the front? Thanks guys, see you next video.